morning, children. Today we are going to study about the small scale and large scale. Consider a map in which 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. Another map is 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. That we are having a two map. In one map, we will see that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer and 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. It is obvious that the first map shows the greater details and the second ones. We say the first map has the large scale, then the second one. A small scale Small scale maps, like the ones generally found in an atlas, show the large area of the earth. A large scale map, like a tourist map, on the other hand, show the much smaller area on the relatively sized paper. Naturally, they can show more features of a particular place. Large scale maps are useful when we need a detailed picture of a small area. That means large scale maps are useful when we need a detailed structure of the relatively small area. Topographic map. Topographic map, a large scale map showing both man-made or nature features, is called a topographic map. Such maps show not only the water bodies or hill or a wood, but also show the road, railway, stations and bridges. In India, topographic maps are prepared by the Survey of India, and these maps using any of the scale of a certain chosen, such as 1:250,000 or 1:50,000 or 1:25,000. So they use these scales. How can we measure the distance on a map? You can use the scale of a map to find the distance between the 2 points. Say in figure 1.2, you want to find an actual distance between A and B across the bay. First, measure the distance between A and B using your ruler. You will find AB is 3 centimeter. Since 1 centimeter on the map represents 100 kilometer, that is A into B is equal to 100 kilo. A and B is equal to 300 kilometer. There is another way in which you can find the distance between the point on the ground of a map. Take a piece of a stiff paper with a straight line, place it on the map with a straight edge against the 2 point. Mark the 2 point on the paper and place the paper against the scale of the map. The distance between the two map point measured on the map scale gives the actual distance on the ground. Then you try with the point figure A and B. You will see that the map will directly show 300 kilometers. That is seen on 1.3. So today we have learned small scale, large scale, topographic map, and how can we measure the distance on the map. So thank you.